We're making the Christmas fatty. So
Josh!
Josh, Christmas fatty.
Ah, nice, nice. Insane. Right.
Right, what are we going to start with then, mate?
Well, bacon blanket. Hey, what's your outfit anyway?
I'm an elf. Yeah.
Is that what you are?
The world's
Oh, nice.
heaviest elf. I'm going to start by getting the sausage meat out of our Jolly Hog porkers.
So I'm laying down my bacon blanket now, keeping it nice and tight.
Can I get a mulled cider, please, chef?
Yeah, same here, mate.
Because that's all we've got.
There you go, Gigantor.
We've got some chestnuts, which are very festive, as you know. And then we've got some whole grain mustard and some mozzarella, which might be controversial, but actually is really nice once you cut it open and get a slice of it.
Could you add your chestnuts to the sausage meat, please?
Yeah. There we go.
And what have we got here, Ollie?
Some chopped, pre-chopped hazelnuts.
There's no other option here than other to get your hands dirty.
Now we've got our mix here, I like just to flatten it down in the bacon weave, get it right to the corners. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. Even, oh, extra slice. Cool, and now it's time to roll this puppy.
Uh-oh. Ah, beautiful.
That is glorious.
Stunning.
Look at that, done.
How long are we cooking the fatty for?
It's anything from anything from 30 to 45 minutes.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes a little longer.
Are we gonna glaze the fatty?
Yeah, how do you glaze your fatty?
Well, with the classic glaze, honey mustard.
Yeah.
But I normally wait until close to the end.
To the fatty.
To the fatty.
To the Christmas fatty. Look at it.
Ah, it's ready to get
Beautiful.
glazed, isn't it? Ready for good glazing. Move the old mould cider out of the way. I like these bits though. I like when it starts to go a bit crispy. So we're actually going to go with a cranberry sauce glaze. So I'm just going to go really generous on it, like really thick.
That's not like you.
Get back in, yeah, please, mate.
Sure
Excuse the
thing.
honours.
Sure thing. Don't mess this bit up.
No, it's a lot of pressure on here, isn't there? There we go. There we go.
No.
Such little faith. Such little faith. The moment of
ready,
truth.
I'm ready.
I can't wait to see it.
And look at that mozzarella in there. Oh, unbelievable.
Can I try a bit?
Yeah, go for it.
Pass us the knife, mate. Thank you.
We have actually
Pass the
got
fatty on
our
the left-hand side.
last recipe, which is we were going to do. We were going to get Josh in the oven, slow roasting, weren't we?
Yeah.
He's heavily marbled.
ne-
We need to get him brined first overnight.
It's a 3-week cook.
Okay, let's do it. Take a bit of that mozzarella too.
That's a winner.
I don't even know what to say. I have no idea. What do I say?
All of that was
Go on then, let's go again.
Cupcake.
What have we got, Ollie? He's gone. He's gone. I've got lots of cheese stories, actually. We can share. Like when we finished Christmas dinner and dessert and everything, and we'd done the cheese board and everything else, and everyone was going to bed, and then Ollie ate a whole block of cheddar.
Kilo.
Just before bed.
Yeah.
But that's Christmas, isn't it?
Well, I might have been violently sick after that, but it was still a great time.
Cool. Can you get out the
Sure thing.
Yeah, the oven,
Sure
please,
thing.
bud. Yeah.
Yeah.
What temp are we doing, Josh?
You're doing it about 120.
Yeah, because we need to render that out, don't we? Le wild boar dish. And nudged him and went, "This is how we do it down Frampton," and then just chinned it, which Frampton's his rugby club.